Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So Janelle Bromfield is speaking out again about the type of attacks that she's receiving from her fellow countrymen. Now I may say countrymen, but to be fair, I'm thinking countrywomen, point blank period. Now I know some of y'all are also gonna say, but you don't really know who is sitting behind these profiles. True. When women speak though, there's a certain tonality to it, and the tone definitely sounds female in my opinion. So I'm going to say these are fellow country women. Now, these are also things that I've heard myself growing up as a black girl, no woman in Jamaica. So it definitely resonates with me. You know, I get emotional as well. So I'm going to try to get through this video as quickly as possible because I don't want my voice to start cracking. Now, this is what Janelle had to say. I grew up hearing black is not beautiful. Your hair is dry, your mouth is too big, your forehead too high, and when you throw all those insults behind you and start walking with confidence, the best compliment you get is you're pretty for a black girl. Child, I don't know how much times I've heard that. So she's speaking straight facts there. I honestly thought we were past colorism in Jamaica, especially as a nation that is filled with black people. I have been getting cyberbullied for weeks, and when it gets talked about, I'm a liar because no Jamaican is coming for my featured. I know that is a lie because this is not the first time she's talked about it or posted about it. And yeah, they have been literally throwing vitriol at her. So this ain't any lie. And of course, I'm going to put up the current ones that she's now screenshot and put up on her page so that y'all can see for yourselves the type of attacks that she's receiving, especially the death ones, the DEATH ones. For me, y'all Jamaicans be wilding and you need to stop. Now, in continuing, she says, I could go off ranting, but I'm just here to tell all the girls slash women on my profile that you're beautiful no matter your shade, shape, or size. And for the little black girls, don't wait on anybody to tell you that you are beautiful to believe it. I love how she ends that off. Don't wait for anybody to tell you that you're beautiful to believe it. That's something that I heard from my mother growing up, and it's so weird because listening or reading what she said, those are the same kind of insults that were thrown at me by even my closest loved ones. I grew up with, family members that were fairer than I was, and I was consistently being attacked, with the same colorism comments. Oh, you're black and ugly. I remember one particular aunt said to my mother once, them black and ugly. That was a comment thrown at us. But for some strange reason, and it's not strange because it's something that my mother, instilled in us, we never thought we were ugly. We always thought we were beautiful and we walked proudly with our heads held high, right? And now, or when they realized that those negative comments were not affecting us, then they started to come around and started saying things like, oh, you're pretty for a black girl. And I'm just thinking, oh my god, that's not a compliment. But at this particular point, the colorism is so steeped into their system, and these are things that they were taught that I honestly don't think that they will change or can change, because I don't think they even realize that they're being colorist at this particular point. So I will also say, for my fellow black women, that yeah, don't wait for anybody to tell you that you're beautiful to believe it. For Janelle Bromfield, you are damn drop dead gorgeous. I know that much. I was watching her recently on an interview. Well, it wasn't her interview. It was Noah Lyles' interview, and she was there, I believe, on the Today Show. And I thought to myself, oh my gosh, that is some sparkling beauty right there. And I was just thinking, gosh, when can I wake up one day with my skin looking like that? When can I wake up with my skin looking so beautiful? That was literally what I thought watching Janelle Bromfield. And I'm like, how can people be even thinking these things? Now that she's brought it back up, because I actually forgot about it, seeing her again and again and again, in the media, I forgot about it. But her bringing it up again, I'm thinking back to that interview, and I'm like, what are people even talking about? Do they realize how beautiful this girl is? You know what I mean? But yeah, it's all because she's black. So the black, everything gets thrown in. If she was any other skin tone, best believe nobody would have anything to say about how she looks. But it's only because she is black. So yeah, trackies. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm gonna end this because I can hear my voice cracking. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.